Welcome to the bar chart tutorial video. Today we are going to create a bar chart, a staple in the world of data visualizations. The bar chart is a straightforward way to visualize categorical data. Values are represented by the height or length of each bar. The bar chart is quite versatile and can generally be used to visualize any sort of comparison. For instance, the populations between different countries, the annual sales of a product, or even the results of an opinion survey. This is the bar chart that we are going to create today. Let's get to it. We open up vislo.com in our browser window and search for bar chart amongst over 100 other available templates. As you can see, we have a number of options to choose from. We are going to select the basic bar chart. We can begin by choosing a theme from a number of available presets. We also have the option to create our own custom theme and upload accompanying logo. The bar chart is quite intuitive. We can start editing by clicking on its elements. To increase the value of a specific bar, drag the handle at the top. New bars can be inserted by clicking on the plus icons on each side of the bar. To remove a bar, click on the X in the corner. You can always choose between using the sidebar to make adjustments or to do so directly on the canvas. The same applies for the formatting options. Now that we have our data, let's customize our axis. We have different options here, like adjusting the decimal precision for our values. We can add a prefix or a suffix. In this example, we want to display the percentage symbol. We can show or hide the axis and grid, and increase our minimum or maximal values when required. Additional layout settings for the bar chart include plotting the chart horizontally, custom bar widths, and using the same color for each bar. We also have the ability to sort our bars according to their values. Here on the Analysis tab, we have the option to present additional information. We are going to add a reference line, which we will customize on the sidebar. Finally, we are going to add an annotation to highlight key information about the dataset. To add an annotation, we simply open the context menu by right-clicking anywhere on the canvas. Once we are finished, it's time to export our chart. We can download it as a PNG or PDF file, or create a link to share our chart with our peers. It's as easy as that to create and update a bar chart.
Don't forget to come back for more useful tutorials on charting and data visualization.